Welcome back to my channel. This is Angela, and last time we spoke about my PAX system and how we were going to decorate this PAX system to give you some tips on how to decorate the PAX system. And what we did was we went ahead and decorated the PAX system first shelf. Okay, we decorated it with the necklace jewelry holder and the bracelet jewelry holder, and now we are going to decorate with our beautiful accessories. We're going to decorate with these beautiful headbands we have here, and I'd like to actually get started right now. Really quickly, guys, you see that fan right there? It is so beautiful. You see that circle right around the fan? That's called a medallion, and I'll have that also linked down below at Amazon. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, so basically I wanted to dress up my fan. Okay, I decided to go with white, and it is a beautiful fan, and that medallion just really brings everything out. So let's jump back to the video. We decorated that jewelry holder back there, that bracelet holder, and we also decorated that necklace holder back there. I just put a few pearl headbands back there. Then you can also see the multi-use hanger. I use that for a scarf. Okay, I absolutely love it. Okay guys, so here's the pull-out trays, and so I'm going to actually start to open the pull-out tray so that you can see. Look at all of my headbands. Aren't they so beautiful? I mean, I have collected so many different ones, and you guys, I just wanted to share it with you. I was thinking to myself, how am I going to store, or how am I going to display all of these headbands? You know, the PAX system, the pull-out trays, they are so worth it. Okay, the pull-out trays here, okay, that's where we're going to actually store all of these headbands. Okay, and I have like headbands for every season. You can see some springy colors, some fall colors. Okay, I love that. I have a pink one, a white one. This, I call this like my cupcake, my birthday cupcake headband. Okay, I love this. This is perfect around the summertime or spring. This color as well. Okay, very quickly, if you have not hit the bell notification, make sure that you hit my bell notification down below so that you can be notified of my videos when I do upload. Now, let's talk about something else here. I would like to talk about my hair, and I would talk about the fact that yes, I do have a bunch of headbands. I have a lot of them. I collect a lot of them, and so I was so happy to have this PAX system because now I can put all of my headbands right where they belong. I did not know how I was going to organize these headbands, and now I have a very great place to store all of my headbands without any hassle. Also, I wanted to just talk about this Cantu conditioner. I am using this Cantu conditioner in my hair, you guys, and it is so good. It's very hydrating. This is not a sponsored video, but I definitely wanted to just let you know that if you ever see this Cantu leave-in conditioner with shea butter, okay, if you ever see this, you might see this in like a Target or just any of those kinds of places. It is so good. It is so hydrating. It is so moisturizing. I wear it like every day just to maintain my curls. And girls, if you just really need something like this, I'm recommending this. So I'm going to put a link down below so that you can access this with no problem. Okay, so I wanted to talk about that, and I just want to say that this smells so good. This smells absolutely divine. It smells, you don't get many products that smell so good, but this smells really good. I just had to mention this because I have been using this for a while, and I am wearing it right now, and I do have on one of my headbands to match my shirt. Okay, and now it's just very appropriate for the weather. It's very appropriate for the holiday, for the seasons, because I have so many of them. I can match them to all seasons. Okay, so that's why I keep a collection of headbands, so I can just pull them out when I'm ready to wear them with any outfit. It just makes for a quick outfit to put together, and I just want to be able to show this to you guys. So come and follow me now. Now as you can see, we have all the headbands in here, and these are just fantastic. I just love them. I have all these headbands that I have collected over time because I just love to pair a headband with an outfit. You know, sometimes I really love that, and I will also link these down below just so that you will know where these are located. I got these on Amazon and they are so beautiful. They are pearl headbands, and I also have some bee headbands. See with the bee right there? I have a blue one there. Okay, and I have a pink one back here, and I have a black one. These are my bee headbands, kind of like a Gucci inspired. Okay, and then I have this Christmas pink scrunchie. I got this from Victoria's Secret, like stuff like that. And this one is a pink velvet scrunchie. I love this. Okay, I love that. And I got this one also, I think from Target. It's real pretty. And you can wear this around the holidays. I also have another velvet red one from Victoria's Secret. Oh, check this out. I have a black leather headband. I do have a white one, but when you buy the headbands and you collect these, I will link them down below. But if you buy these, okay, make sure that they are apart. Like, you don't want to store them on top of each other because they are sensitive in terms of color, and you don't want any color to transfer onto the other headbands. And so what I suggest is that you do keep your accessories apart, okay? That way, all of your accessories are apart and they are looking beautiful. And so that's my tip after having these for a while. I love these headbands. I like to find excuses to wear these. They're so beautiful. All the pearls is just so glamorous and it's so beautiful. And your pack system is just going to look so cute. So when someone walks in your room, it's just going to look so beautiful. You're just going to be like, wow, like wowing everyone coming in. They're going to be like, wow, this is a really beautiful beauty room. I love those. I love your beauty room. Where can I get these headbands? And that's why I wanted to show you how to decorate this pack system and this pull-out tray so that you could get all these items as well, and so that you can also decorate your pack system. And I'm just excited to give you all these tips, you guys, because I just want you guys to really enjoy what I'm bringing here to YouTube so that you guys can have fun with this as well at home, and you can really get excited about decorating your pack system. Thank you guys for joining me. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that you hit the bell notification down below so that you can be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Talk to you later.